Okay, now once you get a question like this, now question number 3 is saying determine the given the arithmetic sequence. They say determine the value of p. So what you need to do here, you need to follow the same procedures of determining the common difference, and you determine the common difference by saying t2 minus t1, which is the same as t3 minus t1. T3 minus T2, which you'll get the following, which you'll get what I just wrote there. So now simplifying further to get the D itself, it means simplify again, which here you will get, okay, we'll say 2p minus 3, and then this negative multiplied by 1, you get negative 1. Negative multiplied by this p, which is there, you get plus a p. Now here it means you'll be having 2p minus a 3 minus a 1 plus a p. Now say 2p plus a p, you'll get 3p, and then negative 3 and the negative 1, you'll get negative what? You'll get a negative 4. And then come this side and do the same thing. You will have p and then plus a 5, and then negative multiplied by negative 1 here, multiplied by 2p, you just have negative p, and then negative plus this, you'll have what? Plus a 3. uh, in this case again, simplify further. Simplifying further, you'll have negative 2p and a p, which you'll just get what? Negative p, and then 5 and then a 3 and then plus, and what? It will give you plus 8. Now in an arithmetic sequence, the common differences are equal, so with this regard, you will have to say 3p minus a 4 is equals to minus p plus an 8, and then solve for p like you're solving for x. Then take this to the other side, you'll have 3p plus a p, and then minus 4, and then a minus 8 is equals to a 0. Now 3p plus a p, you get a 4p, and then minus this will just give you minus 12 is equals to a 0. Now take the minus 12 to the other side, you'll have 4p is equals to, and then this will be a what do you call this thing, this will be a 12. Now it will say 4p is equals to a 12. Now divide the 12 with a with the 4, it means you'll have p is equals to 12 divided by 4, which will just give you p being 3. So it means therefore p is equals to a 3, and then you are done. And then moving on to b, you will have they say determine the values of the first 3 terms of the sequence. Now determining the first values of the sequence, you just replace the p's there, you just replace here on these things here. So in this case, for the first one, you will have 1 minus p, wait, p, and then you'll have 2 p minus a 3, and then p plus a 5. It means for the first one, it will say what? 1 minus a 3, which gives you what? Which just gives you minus 2. And then the second what? The second term will be 2 multiplied by a 3 minus a 3, which this thing will just give you what? 2 multiplied by 3, it's a 6, and then 6 minus a 3 will just give you a 3. And then we move on to the next one. You are having p plus a 5, so where there is p place a 3 plus a 5, this thing will just give you an 8, and then you are done.